What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Uxie from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Now you want to start with the one on the left, so we'll start from the very top. So we're going to bring that down towards the bottom of our oval and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So we start by lining up the top and we want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up. Let's close the eyes with a slit along the bottom. So starting on the left, curve this down and up, and then line that up on the right side. Let's move in between the eyes along the top and draw another oval for that gem. We'll start right in the middle at the very top, come down, and then back up. And then along the top, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. From the top of each eye, we're going to fold the hair around the head. So let's start on the top left. We're going to go up, round this out, come down, and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to go up, come around the side, and then bend that in. Then we're going to tuck the head in underneath that fold. Let's start on the top left. Just going to draw a circle going around the eyes, come in towards the middle, go all the way across, up on the right, and we'll bend that in. Now I want to continue this curve underneath the eye. We're going to go around and then in towards the bottom of the head. And then in the center, let's add a curve for the mouth, going up and down. Now before we finish off the hair, let's draw on the side of the body. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to step down, angle this down and out, go to the right, and do the same thing. And then from the bottom, I'm just going to curve the belly, going out and then down towards the feet. Now I'm going to layer the bottom of the feet on top of the body. So we're going to step in, bend this up, and then out. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the bottom of the foot. We're going to come down, round out the heel, and bend that up. Now in between the heels, let's add a curve, coming down and up. Now we're going to go back up and tuck the arms in behind the feet. Let's start from the side of the body, bend this down and out, in behind the toe. Continue that curve out towards the thumb. Now let's pull the thumb going straight up towards the hand. Angle this down and then out. Now from here, we're just going to bend the arm. We're going to go up, come in underneath the head. Now that we have the arms and body, let's go back up and finish off the hair. We're going to start on the top left, just beside the gem. We're going to go up, come all the way around the outside, and just bend that in towards the side of the arm. Let's line that up on the right, going up, go all the way around, down, and then bend that in. Let's go to the center of the gem along the top, draw a straight line going up the middle. And I want to curve the hair towards the left. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. We're going to go up, come around, and then down. Now let's move back down and add those two tails. We're going to start underneath the heel. Let's curve this down, round at the bottom, and then bend that up towards the outside. Let's go to the right, doing the same thing, coming down towards the same height, go around, and then up. From the bottom curve of the tail, we're going to come in and just tuck that up underneath the body, and do the same thing on the right, coming down and out. Now the tail folds along the bottom, so from the end, we're going to step in, come down, and then just taper that down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. On the ends of the tail, we're going to draw two sets of spikes along the side. So let's start on the left. We're going to go out and in. Do the same thing on the inside. And we'll do that one more time. Let's repeat that over on the right. I'm going to separate the tail on the end, two curves going out and up. And it'll bend this in and down towards the inside. Now let's make our way toward the center point along the top, going up and in. Let's add a small oval gem in the center. And then a small highlight circle along the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Uxie from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. If you want to check out our other channels, I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.